Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fikro Khabar. You're watching Islamic World today. Israel arrests over 5,500 Palestinians in 2019. Prisoners Advocacy Group says 89 children and 128 women arrested. Turkey detains dozens of Daesh suspects ahead of New Year. At least 33 foreign nationals were detained in capital Ankara in a joint operation by anti-terror police and National Intelligence Agency. Syria, 20,000 flee attacks in Idlib over last 48 hours. Majority of civilians fleeing civil war-weary region head to areas near Turkish border, creating new refugee view. Iraq, US kills 24 militants of Iran-linked group. Defensive strikes come after rocket attack killed US civilian contractor at Kirkuk base. Russia marks significant success in ties with Turkey. Russian President Vladimir Putin sends New Year greeting to his Turkish counterpart Recep Tayyip Erdogan. US military says Somalia air strike kills 4 Al-Shabaab militants. United States African Command said 4 militants had been killed in air strike. Sudan sentences 27 security forces to death for torturing and killing protester. The protester Hamad Al-Khair was a school teacher. Demonstration started after the price of bread increased. Malaysia to probe right violation against Uyghurs. International study to conduct study on reports of alleged right violation against Uyghur in China. Taliban attacks Afghan forces in country's north, killing 14. 14 fatalities in pre-dawn attack in Jozjan province. 13 were members of pre-government militia and one was a policeman. 50 dies as cold weather sweeping Bangladesh. Nearly 283,000 people visited hospital for treatment in less than 2 months over a cold heat disease. India hashtag launches to support citizenship law. India gripped by demonstration over new law which excludes Muslim migrants from citizenship. India, fear grip Muslim majority town of Rampur. Midnight knocks and police hunting Muslim youth for protesting against new citizenship law has turned Rampur ghost town. You can find latest and lot more on fikrokhbar.com/English.